do you keep your costs down for IP protection at an early stage when you're still trying to figure out whether the invention is going to be a success or the idea is going to be a success? It really depends on the kind of IP that we're talking about. Typically we're talking about patents, trademarks, copyright and trade secrets. A good way to keep the costs down at the very early stages of a new initiative is to keep the new initiative confidential. Only disclose it to a handful of people that really need to know to help develop the initiative, the idea. For some forms of IP, it's necessary to apply at the patent office, and the application needs to be filed before there is any public disclosure of the idea. And so therefore, trying to delay public disclosure for as long as possible can help delay the costs of the application process. So once an initial application is filed at the patent office, international laws allow for you to delay filing into other countries for between 6 and 12 months, depending on the type of IP we're talking about. So that means that you can delay the cost of international IP protection for a little bit longer. And that gives you some time to validate the technology, the product, the business model, and then decide to invest in IP abroad. If we're talking about trade secrets and copyright, they're a slightly different form of IP that doesn't require registration, and it's necessary to understand the right steps to take to have the benefit of that protection at the early stages of a new initiative.